Morning. How are
Good
you, madam?
evening to you and good morning to you and
Yeah.
evening here in Brisbane.
Oh, yeah, it's morning.
Yeah, when I
Yes,
was in the city this morning, I received the video from you. So explain to me that video.
okay. No, these Chinese went in Congo GR. They wanted to smuggle gold.
Mm-hmm.
So when they reached at the border, the customs actually someone tipped them off.
Mm-hmm.
So they checked their Land Cruiser. You know the door panels.
Mm-hmm.
They had hid the gold inside the door panels. So when they removed the door panels, they found something like 20 kg hidden in the door panels, both sides.
Mm-hmm.
And now they're in cells. Now they caught them, and now they're going actually in jail.
But they were being caught on the way to where? From gold from Congo on
They
the
were,
way to where?
yeah, they were actually they were, they were actually going the border for is it Kinshasa, going to Congo Brazzaville.
And they're gonna bring the gold
Yeah,
to
so they were
border,
trying.
which border? Nairobi or what?
Yeah, I think it was Nairobi somewhere there.
Oh, I see.
I'll check the full details.
Yeah, most Chinese are doing that, and Indian. Chinese, Indian, European, they wanted to get the gold cheap price. Maybe they were being offered to pay taxes. Hmm.
Yes, so avoid the taxes.
They,
That's what they were
they
doing
avoid
actually.
to pay the gold in full. Hmm. So that is the problem. They gamble
Yeah.
themselves. Now they are in Calubos.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm,
They gamble themselves because they're gonna bring the gold to China because Chinese are buying gold. They are using gold to back up their currency. Hmm.
yes.
Because the gold is the
And
currency to back up to borrow money, International Monetary Fund. Yeah,
oh, so it's the one which is also funding the BRICS, eh?
yeah, they are the one. And these Chinese, they are keep on buying gold in Africa, and they're gonna stuck
Too much.
in their hand because when they when they need the money, they can just borrow in the bank. The gold is the collateral. Yeah,
Yes.
the bank will not release the money unless the Chinese or the government show that they have huge deposit of gold. Yeah,
Mm,
this African
so
country they
everyone
have
now.
to wake up because they are the one who produce gold, and the gold is taking out of the country, and some of the seller as well are also encouraging the foreigner to smuggle it, and they are avoiding taxes
Yes.
as well. So I think the government has to
Yes.
wake up this time. Hmm.
Mm, because what I've noticed also, I think the government now is becoming stiffer. Now they are investing in more new technology on how to catch
Yes,
these guys. Everything
yes,
now. Hey, think that Africa is changing. I think now they have done that.
yeah. Just look at this
We have to secure our way forward.
Switzerland. Just look at this Switzerland. They don't have the gold. They don't. They buy everywhere
Mm,
to bring it to Switzerland and they refine it into gold bullion. That's why they have Swiss gold. But where the gold coming from?
yes.
In Africa, the raw materials. Even in Dubai,
Mm,
even in Australia. Australian refinery, they're buying gold in Africa and then they refine it. Hmm. So African
true.
seller have no idea. I know that's why I told my seller, hey, you have to wake up. The foreigners are ripping you off. Mm.
Mm.
Yeah,
So there are those who are still like this smuggling business. It doesn't last long because in the end you're going to pay 4 times. You're actually killing the economy, and the people are crying. In the end, it's
exactly.
you who is going now to return more than. Then you start now thinking in your old age you start suffering of
Well,
wicked
the
things you are
people
doing.
in Africa are suffering because of the corruption. Just
Yes,
imagine,
yes.
just imagine this smuggler from Zimbabwe. They are buying gold
Yes.
2%, and they bring it to Dubai and sell it to big refinery. And there was a lady, niece of the president. She tried to smuggle gold 1 kilo. She was being arrested in the airport. Hmm.
Oh,
Yes,
these are wicked. They are wicked, wicked people. It really pains me. It really pains me because when you look at people how they are suffering, because that is what is going to help the economy. Then what's the whole point of going to ask for money when you have the money? It's like you have you have herbs. They are going to the farmers.
that is why Mali government are very strict. Look at that. Canadian mining company was arrested. Australian mining company was arrested for not declaring, for not paying the government sales tax and royalty. They were being given by the
Mm,
government of a tax incentive. They abuse it. So what happened? They were being
yes.
arrested during the meeting until they have to remit the government of 160,000 US dollar. Hmm.
Mm,
I read that I
and
saw it on my on YouTube, and I put that on my
mm,
platform in order for everyone to be aware. Hmm.
and that's yeah, I'd gone through it. I saw it. I read through. I watched the video, and when you do that, you're actually alerting people because most people they're still backwards. They're
Mm-hmm.
still backwards. And there's a buyer who came in saying that no, I'm tired of just meeting brokers, middlemen. I'm never seeing the sale.
They
It's
are
always
because they're looking for cheap price. That's the reason why. Just look at
yes, that's what I
Peter
told you.
from Nairobi, and he said, "Willie,
Mm,
I knew you for many years. There was an American guy traveled to Nairobi, and they were being frustrated. And I told him, very simple, why they're frustrated. They're looking for cheap price. Mm.
yes,
And then Peter said,
yes.
why not talk to them? What for? And I told Peter, tell them to come and talk to me on live video call, whether they meet the criteria or not. They're stuck in Nairobi. Mm. Most of the gold
Mm,
in Nairobi coming from Congo. Mm.
yes, a lot. Every Uganda, yes, I was in Uganda, Burundi, all those comes from Congo. That place, Goma. That's where they are fight. That's why they are fighting.
Yeah. I wouldn't encourage the buyer to deal with a street transaction. And I would not
That's
advise
very
the seller
dangerous.
to do so because at the end of the day, the loser is the buyer. Hmm. At the
Yes.
end of the day, just like this
And
American guy.
I mean, for how long are you going to do street business? Because there's no, eventually one of you is going to get ripped off.
In fact, I'm traveling. I just been to the city to have my yellow fever. I'm traveling to assist
Yes.
this buyer. Yeah, he's been roaming around from street the seller and street joker broker, and when he searched on YouTube, they found the real woman. Hmm.
Yes.
They're gonna bring the
So
gold to
most
Dubai.
of them they're asking me no, they like saying no, they're in Africa they're just full of scammers. I tell them why you get scammed is because you go for cheap.
You,
That's why you get scammed.
whoever said
So
that I scam, he is also a scammer. He's also a
yes,
scammer because he lied himself. He knows that gold is a premium. He knows gold is the world asset. Why you're asking for cheap price? Hmm. You
mm,
still make profit.
mm,
Yeah. Everybody come to Wilhelmina because my face are everywhere. Hmm.
yes.
Believe me, if you mention my name, Mr. Sikwawi, they don't like my name. They're allergic of Wilhelmina's name. They're allergic of my name. I don't know why they're allergic. Hmm.
Yeah, because you like cleaning up the place.
Yeah.
Bacteria and cleanliness don't get
I am
along.
cleaning the world because look at
Yes,
that.
so that's what.
The price of gold today is getting higher again. Last week was down. Now is now 85. Last week was 84. Today is 85.
Yes.
Mm. So if you don't have the money, how could you get the gold? Mm. So
Right.
those buyer asking for CIF BLC, remember I told you that when you receive that kind of information, just search on internet. You will be getting the meaning of what is BLC, what is CIF, what is LC. Hmm, very
Yes.
simple.
Mm.
So I'm
Like
traveling
you do
soon.
the
I'm traveling soon. This month.
oh,
I will only
that's one.
entertain the buyer from Dubai when they talk to me on Botim first, live video call, because I need to interview them before they gonna meet me face to face. When they meet me face to face, meaning to say they are ready to purchase. This is now my terms and condition, and I inform the seller from now on, don't entertain street buyer on the ground. I call them street
Mm.
buyer because if they are stuck in Mali, Sierra Leone, Conakry, Ghana, Nairobi, Tanzania, to me they're street buyer looking for cheap price.
Yes. 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 They're actually the ones who are scamming you.
Yeah, they are the one scamming the local miner because the local miners are ignorance. Hmm.
Very much, very much. They don't know. When you don't know, someone who knows takes advantage of you.
Yes,
If he's a good person, he will teach you. If he's a bad person, he will take advantage of you.
my seller is a big company and they are well educated, but still, even though they are well educated, they lose 24 million in the past. They were being
Yes, yes,
they were being deceived by a buyer. You know, buyers are sweet talker. You know that.
very much.
There was an Indian in the office and I was there. And he kept bargain. The seller said the door is open for you. If you cannot show me the proof of fund that you have 500,000, the door is open for you. And I told this Indian, see, you travel to Conakry, disaster. Hmm. And then he said, well, Amina, please help me. I said, no, I cannot help you. Hmm. See,
Mm. So
Indians are bargainer.
there is one.
Hmm.
There's one also one buyer who comes in. I tell him exactly what you like saying. Hey, do you have money in your account? By standby, he said yes. I've got 25 million in my account. I said,
Show
okay.
it.
He sent just show it. He sends a thing. You know, for trading, that the crypto thing. That's the money which I have. I said, well, we don't. My seller doesn't do crypto.
Tell him
Doesn't
to
do
cash
crypto.
in. Put that in the bank because he needs to have a certificate of money laundering that his money is clean. In crypto,
Yes,
there are so many buyer using crypto to hide. And when they want to withdraw, the government say, hey, where did you get the money from? From crypto? Okay, put that in the bank. Hmm. I know the trick of the buyers on crypto. Yeah, I don't believe on crypto because that is digital. You have to invest money
yes,
on crypto in order to gain money. But here in gold,
yes,
you have to invest it in order to get that physical gold. Crypto is a digital,
yes.
can be vanished at any time. Mm.
Mhm. Yeah, true, true.
But gold cannot be vanished because that is physical gold.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I'll just say it's like imaginary and physical.
Yeah. So I'm ready to travel. I'm just preparing to on Sunday. I'm gonna have another injection for hepatitis. I just have
Okay,
my yellow fever and COVID-19.
okay.
Yeah, but I would not
Oh, that's
entertain
accepted.
buyers in Dubai when I'm in Dubai. I wouldn't unless I'm gonna see the buyer live video call on Botim because I can distinguish whether the buyer is real or not. There's no point to see me because I just only stop over for 2 nights. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
When
Mm-hmm.
I interview the buyer, I know which buyer I'm going to take the buyer to Africa, either Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. But I need to see the credential of the buyer before the buyer see the contract and confirmation of his order. And then we will send him the landing visa as company guest. That is normal. That is how professional. The street seller, look at this American. He flew to Sierra Leone. And when he arrived in Sierra Leone, he couldn't find his seller. He couldn't find. And then he searched on YouTube and on Facebook, and they're gonna say hi. And I told him, my name is not hi. Hmm. My name is Wilhelmina. How did you get my number? And he said, I searched on YouTube and then I went to Facebook. So therefore, you know the person whom you're talking. So my name is not hi. Introduce yourself. So when he opened his camera, he's very young. He's African. He was born in America, but his parents is from South Africa. So he returned to United States empty-handed. And I told him, when you arrive in United States, let's continue discussion and I will take you to Africa with me. Only if you can afford to pay my extra service. Because I'm not going to take you to Africa for free. And then you bargain.
And madam, do you know what I've also noticed? South Africans are a problem. What I've noticed, they don't like rules. They like dubious business, most of them.
Yeah, they want to cut corner because of profit.
Yes. I just don't know. Most of they just like that business for shady business.
Just like this Iran refinery, I think few years back, the manager was traveling all over Africa, and then he come to talk to me. I think he saw me on my YouTube platform, and they wanted to buy gold. He said that we are a refinery. I said, which refinery? In South Africa. So therefore, you are representing RAN. And said, yes. The refinery cannot even operate because there is no supply. And then he asked me to bring it to the refinery. I said, are you kidding? You have to pay before you bring it to South Africa. And he said, no. I said, yes. Good luck. Good luck.
They told you that just come there, you find everything and everything.
Yeah. In South Africa, there's a gold in South Africa.
They'll show you a movie. It'll be a movie. There'll be guns. What? If you're lucky, you might survive. But if you're not, they're just going even to kill you.
There is gold in South Africa. There is. But you wouldn't be able to get the gold because they are not selling whatever you're asking. They're selling 1.5% less. 1.5. Take it or leave it. That is why this RAM refinery, they're traveling all over Africa. Because they cannot supply their customer. Their customer are the bank.
Oh, yeah. True.
And we are here.
True.
My seller produced gold, but my seller wouldn't sell cheap price. In fact, I was the one who requested my seller give the buyer less 8%. If they're gonna resell it to 2% or 3%, at least they have 5%. And we are negotiable. But I only entered in the buyer when the buyer show me his business registration, a copy, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of funds standby in his bank account, and certificate of money laundering. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't touch it. Why? Because when you transfer the payment to Africa from your bank account, you will be asked that where is your certificate of money laundering? Is your money clean? Because most of the buyer, they are using money from drug cartel. They are going to clean it. They buy the gold. But if they don't have a certificate of clearance, it is very dangerous. I learned it. I have two buyers who show me the certificate of money laundering. Two buyers. One for 1 ton and one for 10 kilos. He showed me everything. That is a real one. Yeah. So now 2025, I would not enter in online straight joker buyer and joker broker. I called him Joker. I called him street online Joker. Hmm.
Yeah, and they're just acting so foolish. One of them called me saying that he's the buyer. He wants to buy a thing, the gold from me. So I said, okay, you have to send your company details and proof of funds. Ah, he said, no, I can't send you that.
Oh, see, they are not.
You send
He is a street online Joker.
Yes, and you send me your documents for me to know if you are real. So I said, okay, I exactly what you do. I told him, okay, let's talk face to face. I switched on my camera. He cut the line.
So he's scared. He's
So
just
I
a
just told,
collector.
yes,
He's a
I
collector.
knew that. No, I'm just,
He's a collector.
I, I knew that he's a liar just from saying. Yeah.
He's a collector. And then he will solicit buyer that it wouldn't work. That is why I
Yes.
always inform on group on WhatsApp that please read, because 2025, if you're just brokering, you wouldn't be able to help your customer. I do help the customer. I do. I am the extension of the seller. The seller produce gold, but before the buyer see the credential of my head office, I need to scrutinize the buyer first,
Mm,
because the buyer will receive the company profile of the seller, and the buyer will
mm,
receive mining license and export license. I have everything, but I would not release it until the buyer satisfied me. Because I'm a gatekeeper. I will close the gate if the buyer didn't meet the criteria. Simple as that. Hmm.
mm,
2025, I'm getting strict. I've given everyone an opportunity, but they are dickhead. They don't read. They're dickhead to me. I call them dickhead. Why? They don't read. I already put the full corporate offer on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. Still, they don't read. They don't want to rush. This is $1 million. This is not a rushing business. This is a professional
It's
business.
not tomato business.
Yeah, this is not tomato business. Even tomato, we are now inflation. The tomato is very expensive nowadays. Hmm.
Yeah. Mm,
And I told my husband,
ah,
"Well, I'm going
Jesus.
to plant tomato because it's getting higher and higher." Hmm.
Mm,
Now, gold is
it's
getting
a,
higher, regardless of the price of the
yeah.
world market. Now, just a moment, I'm going to have a look on the world market. How much? Because the gold it fluctuates. It's not fixed. Okay. Now it's 85 to 82.69 today.
Mm,
It is 2,652.59 today. Last week was 84. Now today is 85. 85 to 49.25. I warn everyone that secure now last year. I told everybody online that there is a possibility that the gold will turn to 3,000 per ounce, which is in dollar terms is 96,450. A small timer wouldn't be able to afford it.
yes, yes.
And we don't give sample because money is not the sample. Gold is money. Hmm. We don't
Mm,
give sample. You have the money, we will invite you. You travel with Wilhelmina, you get what you're looking for. But my services is not for free. When I travel, I do charge the buyer my travel cost. Just look at this buyer. He's willing to pay my extra service because he needs to be guided. He wouldn't travel without me because he's scared, and I told
mm,
him, don't be scared. I'm with you from the beginning to the end. And my extra service is non-refundable. That is why
yeah.
I told the buyer, make sure that you have the money. Hmm. Because when I charge you, it's non-refundable. Hmm. That,
We're actually lawyers. You know that. We are lawyers. We go to
yeah.
a law firm. Just
I am a lawyer in terms of
before
the
you can start
buying
recording,
transaction
the
gold.
invoice is already out.
Yeah.
We are lawyers.
Yeah.
We
I
don't
was the
know.
one who introduced this to the world. You wouldn't
Yes.
find this kind of information. Everything is now on digital. You
Yes.
have to read, listen to the video. When you're ready, okay. Don't send me hi, hello, because my name is not hello. My name is Walamina.
Mm.
I always mention that. A while ago, there was a
Yes.
guy say hello. I blocked him, and I told him, "Why you say hi? Where did you get my name?" I said, "On YouTube." Therefore, you know the woman you're talking. And then someone said, "Hello,
My
brother.
name is there.
Do I look like brother?" Hmm. That is stupid guy. Hello, brother. Hmm. I'm the buyer, and I told him, "Don't be stupid. You don't know how to introduce yourself." Hmm.
Eh,
You see that?
no,
Anytime anybody say
everyone
hello
says,
to me and hello, brother, you are going to be blocked. Hmm.
mm,
This woman is not a brother. This woman is tough. This woman
yes,
is very
very tough.
strict.
Iron legs.
Hmm. So that is how. Anyway, that is the Chinese that they smuggled gold because they're gonna bring it to China. Good on them. They were being caught
Yeah.
by the government. Good on them. Hmm.
Things are just becoming tough now everywhere. They are becoming more strict. So those people who think they can be doing shortcuts, those shortcuts are fading away.
No, no more shortcut
So
2025. I already warned them.
no more shortcuts.
You have the
No more
money, you can get the
shortcuts.
gold.
They are fading now.
Yeah.
Mm,
If you
or
don't have
just
the
mention
money,
something else.
if they don't have the money, I always tell them, if you don't have the money, please stay away from gold. Stay away.
Yes, yes,
If you have the money, yes,
true.
you will get handsome profit. You put your money in the bank, the interest rate is 3%. We put our money in the bank term deposit is 2.5%. Hmm. See? But you buy the gold, every bar you make a profit of 6,500 every bar. Hmm.
Yes,
But you need to invest money first before you get the profit. If you want to get
yeah, no,
10,000
no.
per kilo profit, yes, but I need to know who you are. Yes.
Yes.
And Wilhelmina's
So
services is $20,000. Take it or leave it. And this year, I'm going to
mm,
increase to $25,000. Take it or leave it. Hmm.
mm,
Guaranteed you will get the gold. Because I already had a transaction successful. Hmm.
mm,
I will
mm,
take you to the seller that have gold and the seller will do the services. But I don't want to meet you guys. If you are on the ground, Wilhelmina, can I come to your office? No, we don't. I have to interview you first before I'm going to send you to the office. You never know you are hold upper. Hmm. There are so many hold upper. You know, in Africa, the office have no names. They
yeah,
don't
yeah.
put the name. I told my seller, why you don't have the signage? Well, Amina, we have the tons of gold here. They can ransack us. Hmm. They can ransack us. They can pretend to be a buyer. That is why the CCTV are everywhere. First floor, there's a
Yeah, yes,
CCTV.
yes.
Second floor, CCTV. First floor, there's a security guard with guns. Hmm. You cannot.
There's one who came in. Actually, what you're saying is true. This is what I've noticed. There's one who came in pretending to be a buyer. And him, you're saying that he's working with the Secret Service.
See?
So that is, these
See?
so-called buyers, they like to uplift themselves in stupidity.
Tell them, okay.
That he's working with the Secret.
If
Now
he's
someone
working
who
with
is in the
Secret
Secret
Service,
Service can say it.
no, if he's working Secret Service, very simple to me. Okay, which one? Show me the Secret Service
Yeah.
credential. Yeah.
So I said, so we're from Egypt. So
No,
so
they are
there's
hold
someone
upper.
high in the office.
They are hold upper. Yeah. We are now on digital, Mr.
Yeah.
Sikwaswi. We are now on digital. Buyer can buy gold through digital. You need to have an interview first. First step, you will be interviewed by Wilhelmina. Second step, We travel together. Third step, you
Mm.
inspect your order. Fourth step, transfer your payment. Simple as that. Mm. If you cut corner, then you're waiting for disaster. There's a lot of American, European, Australian, Chinese, Indian buyer from Dubai. They encounter disaster. Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Oh, Wilhelmina, I was being
All the
cheated. Well, whose fault is that? Hmm. Whose fault is
mm,
that? I'm not here
i-
to police
like
everyone.
you say, ignorance has gone. There's no excuse.
That's correct. There's a saying, ignorance of the law excuses nobody.
Yeah.
Buying gold, exactly the same. Ignorance of the rules and regulation. You would never get the gold out of the country. Just like these Chinese. They put the gold
Mm.
on their car. What happened? Someone tip off. Maybe the owner of the gold tip off the police. Hmm,
Yes, yes. That's what happens.
it does.
Because they don't want they don't want to do paperwork. When you tell them that no, no, we'll do it ourselves. So they go. Yeah, you
Okay.
go. When
I
they're caught
wouldn't
now, where are the papers of this
I
commodity?
wouldn't advise the buyer
They
to
don't.
do so and the seller. I wouldn't. Because the loser both parties, buyers and seller.
Yes. Mm.
Hmm. So anyway, nice talking to you, and we'll catch up.
Thank you, madam.
All right,
All
and you
right.
will hear our conversation on my platform on YouTube, Mr. Sikwaswi.
All right, madam. Thank you. Enjoy yourself and have a safe trip.
All right, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Regardless of the price every day, our selling price is 8%. You're gonna say, well, Amina, do I get the profit? Yes. You invest first before you get the profit. When you resell it, you can sell it to your own customer of 2 to 3%. Still, you get 5%. Now, if it's a long term, our price is flexible. You don't need to pay taxes because the tax is already on the price. Tax included, except you have to pay the shipping cost and insurance. You need to insure it, okay? So that when the shipping agent will ship the gold to your destination, whatever happened, at least the gold is insured. Mhm. And I discourage you to hand carry. If you are from Mali to hand carry, I discourage you. Why? Because you are going to stop over two airports. From Mali, either you stop over in Nairobi or in Ghana. So when you hand carry the gold will be on the X-ray machine. And then the custom will cease and open. And if the export documentation is not perfectly done, then you are in trouble. Just like this buyer from Paris. We issued him the landing visa. He has two landing visa, one for Mali and one for Conakry. He flew to Mali and he communicated me because he encountered disaster. And I told him, you deceived yourself. You did not fly to Conakry and Dubai is direct flight. What happened this guy? He get out from the airport. What happened? He spent more than he expect. He traveled with the seller, so I told him probably you were been asking CIF. You didn't pay the gold. And he said, yes, madam. I see. And I told him, you lied to yourself. So in category, you are also scamming yourself. What happened? Frustrated. He lost money. Hmm. So don't hand carry if you are from Sierra Leone or you are buying gold in Mali. Don't hand carry. If you are going to bring gold in Dubai, yes, you can hand carry from Conakry because you would not stop over to any airport. We only allow you to hand carry at least 10 kilos, but it's too heavy. If I'm were you to make it safer, ship it to your country, which is Dubai, and then you claim that in custom. You provide the custom all the documentation from the seller, and I'm gonna be with you from the beginning to the end. And I will stay in input while you are flying to Dubai, I have to be on the ground waiting for you to confirm that yes, Wilmina, I received the gold and I'm happy. If there is a problem, at least I'm on the ground. Mhm. So this is my policy. Now you're gonna ask, well, Amina, what is your position? I'm the marketer. I market Africa. I educate the buyer. I also educate the seller to service the buyer. I am here to help you. I am a business facilitator. At the same time, I am a gatekeeper. So I have two positions. Mhm. And I don't allow you to travel without me because the African sellers is very hard to deal with. Very. But if I'm gonna be in the office with you, the seller will respect this woman. Why? I know them. And if I'll get angry, I swear with them. And they are scared with my foul language. So when I arrive the day before you arrive, everything is spot on. If there is an issue, I could find a backup. I always warn the seller. If the buyer is not happy, I have a reservation. So that's the reason why I have to be on the ground ahead of time in order for me to interview few sellers. Because you are paying me, Mr. Buyer. You're paying me $20,000. You must remember. So you need this woman. What is $20,000 is peanuts. You get the profit anyway. In a year's time, you get the profit 80%. Mm. So don't be a fool thinking, oh, too expensive. You're buying expensive item. You invest money to make money. You must remember. Now, I'm not going to stay longer. The price, I'm going to put the price of the day. 85 today. Just a moment. I'm going to have a look. Mhm. Because the price changed. Now, is 85,279.47. Less 8% out of that. Okay? 85,279.47 less 8%. Your profit per kilo is 6,822 minus 85 again. Now, it goes up again. 2,284 now, 0.94. Our selling price, $78,000, 78,462. Don't panic. Once you convince Wilhelmina, you will get more profit. I'm telling you. You resell it to your customer, 2 to 3%, you still make profit. Mhm. You invest money to make money. Don't be a bargainer because you will never get the gold. I'm telling you. Gold is money you're buying. You need to have a capital. You cannot just buy gold using your saliva. Saliva means asking CIF, cost insurance, and freight. Therefore, you don't have the money. You're shortfall of cash. You can only afford to pay shipping cost and insurance. How about paying the gold? The government would not allow their property to take out without full payment. Why? You need to pay bank to bank in order to show the cash inflow receipt that you have paid the gold to the owner of the gold. That is the story. So now, Mr. Buyer, subscribe and click below. It says there, read the full corporate offer. Click it, read it thoroughly. You come for conference when you understood. If you don't have a capital, don't bother because this is not for you. This is only for the big spender. You have $500,700,000 available fund? Yes. You have 1 million, 20 million? Yes. This is a good lucrative business if you have $1,000,000 or $700,000. If you don't have that, don't worry, find another job, get out on gold business because you would not get the gold, or you travel to Africa because you were being offered 35. Good luck. Then you're waiting for disaster. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Click below. The full corporate offer is in there, and I will put the price for the day. Today is January the 8th. Tomorrow, the price again. So, time to time, come for conference, be transparent, open your camera so that I would determine whether you are a real buyer or not. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening. I just finished talking to Mr. Sikwakwi. It's very hard to pronounce his surname. And he's the one who telling me that there was a Chinese was arrested, gold from Congo, tried to smuggle it. So don't smuggle it, Mr. Buyer. Don't. It's not worth it. It's better buy slowly but surely. Wilhelmina is the one who will take you. I am your business facilitator. You pay the price. Thank you and have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here in Brisbane, Australia.